cupcake charm, you'll be needing Sculpey clay or female clay. And the colors you'll be needing are chocolate, forest green, Granny Smith, blue, hot pink, purple, orange, yellow, and white. And you'll be needing one eye pin, gold or silver color, that is about 2 inches long, and 3 head pins or any stiff wire that you can use to attach the flowers with. And last, you'll need translucent liquid Sculpey for gluing. Now I'm going to use chocolate as the cupcake base of the charm, and just going to roll it into this shape right here. So here I have the cupcake base right here. Next, you want to make markings to show that you want to make little markings to represent cupcake liners on the cupcake. So I'm going to use a blade. I'm just going to mark halfway around the clay. There you go. You can see that. Next, you're going to make the grass. So I'm going to take my Granny Smith color, roll it out into a thin piece of clay. Blade. Take that off. There you go. And I'm going to make zigzags. I'm going to make triangles. I'm going to cut that off. There. Cut a deeper one. Here we have the finished grass piece. So you want to start off making the flowers. So I'm gonna make 3 flowers per cupcake. So I'm gonna take hot pink as the flower. So what I'm gonna do is actually roll a log, right, and then cut off how many pieces? I'm gonna cut off 4. 1, 2, same size, 3, 4. Okay. And then next, I'm gonna put it right side up and then press down, like that. Take another one. So I'm making it into mini circles, flat circles. That. So we have 4 circles right here. Next I'm going to take 1 circle and I'm going to pinch to the side to make a petal shape or a teardrop shape, like that. I'm going to do that for all of it. And then for markings, I'm going to take my razor and I'm going to make a light line on the petals, like that. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to arrange it into the beginning of a flower. I'm going to put 2 here, 2 here. These will stick together, so no gluing. And 2 here. There you go. And you can make the markings more visible. And then I'm going to take another color. I'm going to use yellow, a little bit of yellow. So I'm going to pinch it off and roll it into a ball like this, and then press it down on the plate and place it right in the middle of the flower. And there's your flower. There you go. So I made 3 flowers already, and I'm going to get started on making the stems. So what I'm doing to make the stem is I'm rolling a piece of clay, flattening it, and then I'm going to cut out a square take the pin, lay it right on the side, and then I'm gonna roll it like this, like that, and I'm just gonna roll it with my finger, fix it like that. There's your pin. There you go. And that's your stem right there. We have the base, the stems, the flowers, and the grass. So I'm going to take one of the stems, and I left a little bit of metal over here so I can just puncture down like that. See? It's going to do for all three of them. That. Okay. Next I'm going to take TLS. Glue. Put some glue. On the head pin. Right? I'm going to take the flower. Oopsie. Going to take the flower and place it on the head pin. Maybe a little tricky. Gotta work with everything. And here you have it. There you go. That's your little flower. Cupcake charm, right? And then I'm going to put TLS all around the bottom base of the cupcake. Have it. And that's finished right there. And before you want to bake it, you want to insert the eye pin right here. That's an eye pin. So I'm going to insert it carefully. There you go. And I'm going to bake it right now for 200 degrees in the oven or toaster oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. So we're back with the finished product. So here is what it's really solid. It's cooked all the way. I baked it in the oven. So I'm going to use triple thick. I'm going to gloss this. I'm going to take a soft brush or a paintbrush. I'm going to that's how it looks, and I'm going to that. I'm going to start off with the flowers first. So after the glaze is hardened, it takes about 2 hours to really stick on and nothing will peel off, right? And then I'm going to take some jewelry pliers, right? I'm going to take the head pin, I'm going to try to curve it into a loop. So you can measure it and then you'll just cut that off, the excess, like that. And there you go. There's your chain. And then you can just